Dropshipping Guide: How to choose best dropshipper for your business. Hi, this is Fione Tan from 28mall.com and e1net.com. Looking for reliable suppliers who can help you to send the products from their factory direct to your end customer? Want to save costs and avoid handling, packing and delivery for products that you sell? Then you will be excited to learn about Dropship, the service used by many online sellers to start their e-commerce business without investing in expensive stocks. What is dropshipping? Here's a little chart. The dropshipper can be your product supplier and offers you the product information, products, item description, and the wholesale or cost price of the stocks. You then use this product's info and set your own selling price, so you decide your own profit margins. Customer shops from your website or online store and pays you the money. You then pay the item cost price to the dropshipper and they will wrap, pack, and deliver the product to your end customer. This is a great arrangement, but what are the common problems with dropshipping? The first one is product's info is incomplete. Some dropshippers simply use online translation software. Let's take a look at this one. Amazon. Sexy P dress. Women dress, sexy P, sexy bodycon, summer bandage dress, night party cocktail, maxi long skirt. Definitely you have to rewrite the whole product description and even edit their images if there are some watermarks. Low quality of products. For those who have shopped on certain marketplaces, you notice that the image looks great. The actual product is of bad quality, and imagine if your customer receives the same item. Will they complain? Surely. And you end up having lots of chargebacks and refunds complaints. The dropshipper will not refund you for the item paid. Therefore, you make losses when dealing with cheap and low quality products. The third problem that you have when dealing with dropshippers are many of them might be selling fake or replica products. This is a total no-no. Let's take a look at a marketplace popular in Malaysia. Do not attempt to sell replica luxury bags, fake cosmetics, non-original skincare, as you really will not know what goes into such products. Some dropshippers will even pass off fakes as original. So choose wisely, and if the item price sounds too cheap, then it's likely to be a knockoff. Just look around on many online sites we are selling, for example, like fake Chanel fragrance for 14 ringgit, which is 4 to 5 US dollars. Grade A Louis Vuitton handbags for $50 or Rolex watches for $100. Okay, so avoid this at all costs. Okay. Number 4 are slow shipping or limited to local delivery. If your dropshipper is doing the shipping for you and some even offers free worldwide shipping, do ask how long would that take and would there be any tracking, any insurance, and what courier is used. If the product supplier is only able to deliver to your local country, you'll miss the biggest e-commerce opportunity to sell worldwide, anywhere, anytime. Want a solution to find the best dropshipper and reliable supply of branded merchandise, such as those you see at 28mall.com? Join 28mall Brands Dropshipping Package and learn how to sell good quality branded merchandise that you love. To find out how you can find original brands, even luxury brands and designer brands dropship such as Chanel, LV, Hermes, Dior, Prada, Rolex, and popular brands such as Apple, Samsung, Lancome, Estee Lauder, Shiseido, Laneige, SK2. Come attend the e1net.com and 28mall.com Dropship for Original Brands Business Workshop in KL, Malaysia and Hong Kong. Apply for your complimentary invite via PM at our Facebook with your city and personal info. For more info, do contact us. Take care. See you then.